Hello my friends and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing well. I've made several attempts to do this video, but it was not working out, and I thought to myself, okay, are you hungry, Odette? Are you hungry? Okay, so get up and go get something to eat. I got something to eat and I came back and I still wasn't really functioning because I've got so many things going on in my head. Anyway, I thought, okay, let me have a chocolate bar. So I had a chocolate bar and I had one of those Magnum ice creams, and I'm good now. Okay, so in today's video, this is going to be my first beauty haul for 2020, I think. I'm not quite sure where this video is going to go today, but I laid everything out on my desk that I want to talk about, but I thought, is this really a haul? Because I feel like I've got so many repeat things on my desk. Anywho, I went into Superdrug because I wanted to get some toothpaste. I ran out of toothpaste. I thought, okay, just go around the aisles and pick up whatever you want and just call it a day. So let's get started. So these are the tea tree face wipes, and these are for sensitive skin. I mean, you guys know that I love these facial wipes, and these are a hot seller at Superdrug. They're always sold out. There were only 3 to a customer, so I picked up 3 of them. And like I said, they're really hard to find. So, and these again are for sensitive skin, and I really love these ones because it removes so much of my makeup with very little effort. So I always tend to stock up in these. And again, these are just a generic tea tree brand, and they are from Superdrug. And I think these are about maybe £3 and change. They used to be £1 something. I know they used to be, they've gone up now. But I mean, they're worth the money. It's still really good. So next we're going to talk about this product from Rutuals. I love to go into their store. Oh my god, I think they have the best products when it comes to bath and skincare. They really do. And of course, whenever you walk into their store, they always come around with a little tray and they give you a little cup of tea. So this is the Refreshing and Foaming Shower Gel. I like to try the different scents every once in a while. I have a different one in my bathroom, but I forgot to bring it out for you guys. This is the Ritual of Ham Ham. A purifying ceremony for body and soul. I actually love this, and it smells really good, and it basically wakes you up. It wakes up your spirit in the morning, and I like to use this in the morning on my way to work because nobody likes to go to work during the day. So, you know, I need something to really give me that little extra energy. Next, we're going to talk about this lipstick from Revolution. The name of the lipstick is to the bottom. I'm going to link it below for you guys. And I'm actually wearing this lipstick today, and I paired this lipstick up with this lip liner from MAC. It's called Habanero. Let me do a swatch for you guys. It's not a matte lipstick, but you have the feeling that it's matte with a nice soft sort of a shimmer to it, but not too shiny, because I really hate to wear shiny lipsticks. So this is the swatch right there for you guys. Hope you guys can see that. Nice gloss to it, but not too shiny, like I said. And again, from Revolution, and I got this from Superdrug. It's the Vinyl Cherry brand, but the name is going to be linked below for you guys. Next, I do have this product from L'Oreal Paris. This is a mascara, and the dofer is nice and big. There it is right there. And I picked this up because I just love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. And again, this is from L'Oreal Paris. Very nice. You do have like a rose gold color on top, and then you have this sort of a bronzy look to it. Very nice. And I thought, why not just update my my mascara collection, because some of them just need to be thrown out. So I love the packaging for this one. Very nice. I'm going to link everything below for you guys so you can pick up on whichever one you want. So next, I do have this lip jello, and this is from the Collections brand. This is so cute. I love the little tiny packaging right here. The name of this is going to be linked below for you guys. I got this from Superdrug, and it feels like a jello for real. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch for you guys. So I'm just going to take my lip brush. It feels like jello. So if you guys can see that, you see that it feels just like jello. So I'm just going to put a little swatch on my hand, and this is it right there. Really nice soft consistency. You know, there are some days where you just want to have a little bit of a color on your lips without making too much of a fuss, you know, with going in with like a lip liner and all that powder and all that stuff. Just put a little lip stain on and off you go. So next I do have from the Collection Beauty brand, this is the Fast Stroke Defining Lash Mascara, number 3 Brown Black. This is one of those beauty brands that you should not let slip through your fingers. It reminds me so much of the Revolution brand. When the Revolution brand just came out, nobody was really paying much attention to it, but it's becoming a lot more popular and more than just a drugstore brand to me, because the products are so amazing. Now you've got all of these collabs with all of these YouTubers, and to me it's the same thing with this Collection brand. It's becoming a lot more popular now, and the beauty products are really good, and I think they are really worth trying. And I picked up these lashes from Superdrug as well. This is the Ardell Professional Naked Lashes, and I thought, let me just try this brand. When I started to do my YouTube channel, I used to always wear these lashes from Ardell. Nice simple packaging, and I thought, why not try this one? It looks really, really good. It doesn't come with any lash glue or anything, but I mean, they are a good brand. Next, I do have this Revolution Highlighter Reload, and I just love this highlighter. I do have this on my eyes today. Hope you guys can see that. And I put a little bit of this on my cheeks. And of course, if you want to put some of this in the corner of your eyes, you can do that, because you can just do anything you wish with your makeup. It's not just for one particular thing. As you can see right in the corner of my eyes, and of course in the tip of your nose, you can put a little bit of this as well. Blend that out. And the Cupid's bow, I'm always messing up the Cupid's bow anyway, so you just put like a little bit just right there to just make your lipstick pop a little bit. If you want to go under the eyes, which will be really nice as well. So yeah, it works really, really nice as an eyeshadow. I absolutely love it. And of course, it is on my cheeks, but you may not be able to see it, but it's very, very light highlight on both cheeks. Very, very, very pretty. And the name of this is going to be below for you. It just says Revolution Highlight Reloaded. That's what this is all about. Love that. This is from Revolution, and this is the Liner Revolution. I do love the Revolution liquid liners. They are so nice and easy to put on. Very, very, very pretty. Oh, and really, really black as well, right there. I just love these liquid liners. I think they're really, really cute. And the one from Fenty Beauty is really nice. And I have another one here from Revolution. And this is the one that I'm actually using right now. They're a really good brand. They are so good. So, so, so good. This is from Revlon Color Stay. And this is a brow tint. And I thought this was an eyeliner or something. And I thought, brow tint, why do I need this? So I'm gonna have to figure out how to use this product, or maybe just go on YouTube and see how people use this brow tint. And it's in like a liquid form. So I thought, okay, it's not what I thought it would be. So whatever. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. This liquid eyeliner is from Rutuals. I really love the packaging. The packaging is so darn cute. Amazingly beautiful. When I went to Rituals and I saw this, I thought, oh my god, I gotta have it. And this is, I'm just gonna open this up for you guys, and this is it right here. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, I got this because I love the packaging. It's very, very, very nice, almost like a rose gold kind of color. Very pretty. It's gonna look nice on your vanity. Very, very, very nice. You can even give this as a gift, or if you want to do a giveaway, why not? And last but not least, I do have this product from Rituals. This is the Repair Soothing Lip Balm. Let me show you guys this product up close quickly. This is the product right here. And as you can see, there's a little button right there. You push this button, it flips out, and then you pull this out, and this is your product right there. There we go. Very nice. I love the packaging, and then you just push it down, and there you go. Isn't that cute? The cutest little thing ever. And I do like the color of it. And Rituals now has lots of makeup, and I do have a foundation from them, and I'm starting to really like their products a lot, besides the bath and shower gels and the body scrubs and all of that. I think their makeup line is really, really good. And again, this is a beautiful lip balm from Rituals. Lovely. So I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on one or two things. It's all going to be below for you guys. And I do hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you for spending this time with me. I do appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your comments. Thank you guys for your love. Thank you for everything. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.